Hey friend, so if you notice I'm on Facebook and you notice it was a free design, so I just simply copy it and paste it into Canva. First thing I want to do is do edit, magic grab, and I'm going to just grab the lady. I'm going to grab the glitter that she's sitting on. Then I'm going to just click grab. Then I'm going to go back in a second. You got to give it time to load. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to hit magic edit and magic grab again. And I'm going to grab the little diamond to the side. I made a mistake. Sorry. Gotta go back. Gotta move her because I already grabbed her. So I want to do edit, magic grab. And I'm only going to grab one single object. I want one of the diamonds. Because if I had grabbed her and the diamond at first, then it would have made it like a single unit. But I wanted it to be separate. So I had to do magic grab separately so that I could make sure it's ungrouped. Okay. So I'm going to position her how I want to. I'm going to move the diamond out of my way for now. I'm going to show you, I made a shirt today, and I love this saying, and I'm only going to get finer. Yeah, for all those people that's wishing bad luck on you, nope, I'm only going to get finer. I'm only going to get better. So I really don't like the text that much, so I'm just going to show you how you can just copy and paste the text. You can change the color on it. I changed it from brown to black. Position it. Then you can do effects. You can either do outline or make it kind of glow. But you see it change the color back to brown. I'm going to play with it a little bit just to see. I'm just going to show you the difference in what you can do with switching the colors and how it makes it glow around it. And this actually comes out really good on a DTF print. So if you do choose the glow option, it works with the DTF prints. It works really good. So I'm just playing around with the colors. I'm also going to do like an offset in silhouette, and it's called an offset. But pretty much you can increase or decrease your thickness on it. You can change the color. So right now I have it black, outlined in gray. I'm going to play with it till I like it. That's the whole part of designing it. Just play with it until you like it. I still don't like it. I'm going to play with it a little bit more. Maybe I like it. I still don't like it. It's like too close together. So I'm going to keep on playing with it. That's the fun in designing. You just mess with stuff until you get what you're looking for. But I just don't, I'm not really feeling it. I'm just going to delete it, get rid of it. Now you can also go through, when you do add text, you can go through the preloaded text that Canva have, or you can just do add text box and change it how you want to. So a lot of times I use the provided text and I just change the colors. Sometimes I play with the font, but for the most part, if I like the way it looks, I won't mess with it. But for this one, I'm just going to add a text box. I'm going to type in what I want. I'm still going to keep the phrase, I'm going to only get finer, because I really like that. I'm just going to play with it a little bit to see how I want to line it up. And like I said, that's the fun part of designing. You can play with it, edit it, change it as much as you want to till you get that finished product. But you're going to notice we're going to do all of this in less than 15 minutes. And you're going to be amazed at what we get done in 15 minutes. So once again, I'm just playing with the fonts, just trying to see which one I like, which one I don't like, what works, what don't work, or even how I want to format it. So I'm going to change it several times probably. So I like this. It's bold, it stands out, it's readable. Because a lot of times when people make shirts and stuff, they like the prettier font, but sometimes the prettier font is not readable. And you want to make sure your customer can read what your shirt or product actually says. Because a lot of times it's just pretty, but you can't get your message across. Because I believe like when you wear a t-shirt, you're trying to promote the message on your t-shirt. So how can I really promote the message on my t-shirt when can't nobody read it but me? Don't nobody know what to say but me because of the fonts. So I just love that I'm only gift finder. I love it. But I'm gonna show y'all probably tomorrow. Well, not on Thursday. I got church tomorrow, but I'll show y'all Thursday probably what I did with the only gift finder print. You're gonna love it. I love it. So I'm just gonna for the finder, I'm gonna use more of a script font. And because it's so thin compared to the only get, I'm probably gonna outline it. So I'm gonna do a fix, and then I'm gonna change the color to black. That's too thick, so it's unreadable. So I'm gonna like decrease the thickness of it just so it can be thicker than what it was, but at the same time readable. Okay. I'm not sure if I want to do like a lowercase L and use the diamond as the end of the exclamation mark. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see how it looks. We'll play with it. Yeah, it ain't working out for me. I'm just gonna add exclamation mark here. Then I'm gonna add my little diamond somewhere. Yep, I'm gonna center it just so I can see how it looks. I'm gonna duplicate the diamond, minimize the size of it, just throw it somewhere. Go to elements, and then I'm gonna type in gray smoke. So I gotta create a background just to make sure the picture looks good. And like I said, this lady, the image of the lady was actually a freebie on somebody else's site. If you seen the lady's name when I first started the video, like go check her stuff out. Her clip art is amazing. She has some free, a lot free, and then she has some paid, but it's really worth, it's really worth it because it's really cute. And you don't have to come up with it. Some stuff, I always say save time or money, but sometimes you can't save both. So if you notice, I'm just adding this smoke. I layered it. I put it behind her because I don't want it in front of her. I want some glitter stars, but you got to keep on just searching until you get what you're looking for. So I wanted some glitter stars, but I'm not really finding what I'm looking for. I want more like a galaxy look, but I'm not finding it. But when you can't find what you're looking for, you just, start that search over. And you can, like, once you find a design that you like, if you click on those little 3 dots, you can, like, look for other designs that that particular creator has created. That way you can follow them because you like their work. And it'll show you more stuff like that and more stuff that's published by that particular creator. I didn't know that for a long time. I was so happy when I found it. And as you start searching your elements, get your little notebook and jot it down. So let me just get back on track. So I like that glitter, but if you see it had a white background, I could do magic grab on it, but I'm not going to. I just really don't want to do all the extra work until I find what I'm looking for. But what I was saying was you can follow people like different designers. And if you follow them on Canva, like it'll always give you the stuff that's similar to what they promote or offer, or all of their stuff that they offer. So I'm just going to take that glitter and I'm going to layer it and I'm going to send it to the back. You see, I'm just putting all of that to the back. Because I just want just a little bit of sparkle with it. That gray smoke just wasn't giving enough for me. So I'm just going to add just a little bit more sparkle. And you see, when I don't see what I'm looking for, I just, claim I did fairy dust. I said silver fairy dust, but it's bringing up all the fairy dust. This one is cute. Okay, once again, I'm going to click it, right click it, layer, send it to the back. Okay, I'm just going to position how I want it, because you want to make sure everything is proportionate in place. Nothing looks out of whack, because if you have more, you have to make sure your design is balanced. So if you have more to the right or to the left, it kind of off balance your whole design. And you don't want that. You don't want that at all. So now I'm just going to search shirts. I'm going to take all this and group it. So when I move something, because one thing in Canva, because there's so many different images, sometimes you'll move it, you'll forget something. So you have to keep on undoing. So I always, when I'm through with designing, I always group it. So now I search t-shirts. I added that t-shirt. I don't really like that background. It doesn't go well with my saying, but I'm just gonna show you for design purposes how it looks on this shirt, but I don't like it. Gotta get rid of it. Yeah, I don't like it at all. Try to find a shirt that I like, or I'm just gonna type in red shirt. Yeah, I find a red shirt that I like. Yep. Now, what I would tell you, like I picked her because she was the first person I saw that I liked her picture. But if I had a person with a short haircut on my image, I'm most likely gonna pick a person with a short haircut because pretty much you want to find like an avatar that looks similar to the person on the mock-up, because that's like giving mixed emotions. You got like long hair, don't care, and then short curl girl, so you really just don't want to mix that up. But for the purpose of this video, it looks nice on the red shirt. Now I'm gonna do green. Yeah, I love Kelly Green. So if you ever want to buy me something Kelly Green. I love Kelly Green. So I'm gonna find me a pretty Kelly Green shirt. I love this color. I'm gonna layer it to the back. Kelly Green look good. I don't care what you put on it, just look good. It looks like money. I know it ain't money green, but it looks like money. So I'm just gonna make it bigger to make it proportionate to the shirt. And when you buy that shirt, yeah, I would buy that shirt, put me on a black blazer, some light stonewashed jeans, and some boots, black boots. You couldn't tell me nothing. Nothing. And I got short hair, so I could rock this image. Okay, so now I'm just gonna look at coffee mugs, because in the not coffee mugs, I'm gonna look at journal covers. I like that red one, but I'm gonna see if they got something else. But for time's sake, I probably just use that red one. Yeah, I'm gonna use the red one. So I'm gonna delete the shirt. I'm gonna layer it, send it to the back. I'm gonna size it. Because what you want to do, you want to make the product look as realistic as possible. So when your end customer is seeing it on your social media platform, they're like, "Oh, I like this." But if you put, but if you put it where it's over it looks kind of tacky and they know it's a mock-up. You want to make it look as realistic as possible. So you want to make sure you proportion the size to fit whatever product you're trying to display. So I'm going to look at the coffee mugs. I'm going to delete the journal, layer it, send it to the back. Bam. Now we got a coffee mug with the same design. So look, you can have a t-shirt, a journal, and a mug with the same design. Because guess what? What if I'm not a t-shirt person, but I love journaling? Or what if I really ain't a journal, but I love my coffee and tea? You know what I'm saying? You can use that same design and sell it on different products. Oh, this pink is cute. Being this October, let's celebrate the pink. Okay, we're going to do breast cancer pink October. We're going to flip it horizontally. Once again, send it to the back. We just went over 4 products with one design. And I promise you, I would buy all 4. Right? You put that on your social media, get you a good little caption, do a call to action, let your customers know, hey,